Hey guys, back with another video, and today we are going to be playing Slither.io. We've got to go, we've got to go find some slithers or some worms. Yeah, and then we got to get their head. You just have to collect all these little like round circle things that's on the ground, and you have to keep collecting them. Or you could just circle like people's heads. Yeah, like that. This guy's trying to do the play on me, I swear he is. He's trying to wait until... I knew it. It's basically spacebar to boost. Oh my. 3 kill streaks so far. Let's go look for some more snakes. Snakes are the food. Ooh, more food. This guy thought that little snake is trying to literally get me dead so we can get loads of points. And look who died. Nah, no circle. Yes! We need to maybe go center. Basically our map's down here, just like, it's a bit hard to see. And I can't. Okay, so there's more food over here. You can see that big snake over there, dog. Oh, that was just torture. That guy was so small and I just circled him. Oh my, he went into my face. How did I not die then? Right now we're at 3,000 and this guy's playing it risky with me. Maybe? Okay, I'm not going over there, definitely not. Okay, sweet, I know there's a... Okay, I'm gonna go for the circle maybe. Actually I will, as long as this guy doesn't recognise what I'm doing, even though he probably will. Can't do this red circle's gonna get me. He died. Oh my gosh. This guy just died. Oh yes. Food. Come on, there's so much food here. I'm literally at 5k and I was just at 3,000. This guy knows what's going on. Yeah, this purple snake is trying to get me. If you want to circle them, then you're gonna get circled too, bruv. Oh, there's a lot of food up there. There is a lot of food. Oh my gosh. I literally just saw that big blob of food and I was like, let me get it, boy. What the heck is that guy's name? Okay. What is that name, bruv? Oh, Ninja. Oh, you're a fake ninja. Oh, Ninja, stop trying to me. Yay, he died. I'm so happy, actually. Ooh, more food. Whenever you actually use your boost, it kind of reduces your speed. Because you're like boosting. Except then again, if you see more food, then you should. No! I died. I had 7,000. Oh. Game. Okay, there. We were so close. I'm just gonna go straight to mid. I'm gonna go and look for some people to get. Okay. Let's get jelly. This is not jelly. It's literally not even his skin. Oh, this is the last guy that I killed. Yeah. I actually got more food. Now I can actually boost in front of people. Yeah, boy. You can't get out. Okay, let's look for more people. Ah, there's somebody. No. I don't like it when people do that play. I'll be right back when we get to mid. Okay guys, so we're at mid, and as you can see there's a lot of snakes. As someone just died and he was big. No, this guy just blocked me from so much food. Oh! And I kind of got a jelly face on. Let's go. Slow-go man face. This is sketchy as. I just realised that the eyes literally follow the cursor. Not Kwebbelkop. Maybe Kwebbelkop actually. Yeah, why not? But then it doesn't match his logo. Ah. Yeah, there you go. The whole squad. Slogo, Jelly, and Quibble. Looks kind of weird. It's like it's coming out my mouth. It's like I've got Slogo's, like, I don't even know what that is. Like, alien things or whatever. Oh, there's loads of people over here. And that big guy just died. Bruh. Seriously? Now I died. Oh my gosh. Hello, Mr. Loading Screen. Okay, there. Oh gosh. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.